welcome to this video. So we're going to do some ASIN product research today. So this is going to be research for when you're trying to do product targeting on Amazon and you're looking for products to target. That's what this is all about. So we're going to use the example I used in one of my last videos, which is bubble tea kit here. So there's 3 different ways that we use in my agency, or I use personally on my own Amazon accounts, in order to effectively target products and get some really good sales at a low ACOS. Now, the first way I do it is simply by using the X-ray tool in Helium 10. Now, we use this tool. We currently use it. That's why I'm showing you this way. You can do the same thing on similar tools as well. So the best way to do it is look for products that are currently not performing as well as you think your product can. So, for example, on the ratings, right? So let's look at the ratings there. And if you were to put in, let's say, show us all the products that are less than a 4-star rating there, and we know that your product is like a 4.5 or a 5, or even if it's got no reviews, Amazon still counts it as a 5, or the customer isn't going to be as aware. Therefore, if we can target products that are 4 or less, as you see that's a maximum of 4 or less, then it would actually make us more competitive. You can also start targeting on the price. So if you know that most products on the market are £20 and your product is like £15, what you could target is target the products here that have got a more expensive offer than you have, right? So you could put a minimum here of 17 if you know that yours is 15, and then that's going to show us all the products that are 17, and then because your product is the same value or what you think for 15, then it may be that you could get them sales, right? We can also target by fulfillment. So you could target by fulfilled by merchant, because if yours is FBA, fulfilled by Prime, then it's probably going to arrive much quicker. Therefore, if we're targeting it, shoppers are shopping and yours pops up instead, they might just pick yours for a faster delivery. So if we apply them filters, then what's going to happen is we're going to see this page here. So we've then got a list here of all products that have got a 4-star rating or less. They're more than £17, which is quite expensive for this niche. And also, we're seeing them with the reviews that aren't that great and the fact that they're not FBA. So we've got a full list of ASINs there we could attempt to target. Now, before doing that, obviously, I would assume that it's smart to click into it to make sure that it's a relevant match for your sort of product. But that's how you use the filters on the X-ray tool to do that. Now, one of the next things we can do here is type in, I'm going to use the same niche example here, the same keyword. This is a product that I found in that keyword, one of the main ones. Now, a really good way to do this is just scroll down here and look at the frequently bought together products. This is sort of gold dust. So if you can target this one and this one, you might have some really good success depending on the price point. That one's got a low price point, so once again, you've got to do some checks on top of this. Along with the frequently bought together products, you might want to also look at these ones here. Once again, this one's showing up on items to explore and it's on the frequently bought together. So this could be a really good thing to target there. We can also look at other offers here. What's relevant? We've got Bubbleology Taro Milk Bubble Tea Kit there, which is $22.99. Remember, if our product is 15, for example, that one might be a good one to target there. You don't have to target exactly the same, but people are looking for the same outcome. This is a tea kit, a bubble tea kit. You could also target this one here, right? Because ours is much cheaper, and some people just won't care for all this gift packaging and stuff like that, and they just want the bubble tea kit. Now, the final way that we can go about targeting the product competitors, product targeting for your PPC campaigns, is actually clicking once again back to the search page here when all the results are coming out, and we can click on the sort by here. And as you can see, I've sorted it by newest arrivals. If you sort it by newest arrivals, let's click back on that, then it's going to show you all the newest arrivals. Now, a lot of these will be priced not accurately. A lot of the products, they're going to be spending a lot of money on their PPC to get customers to them listings. But the products might be not that good. For example, this product main picture, sorry if this is yours, it's not very good. I can see it's probably bleeding on the page there as well, potentially. Some of them are not going to be good value for money, but they're going to be spending a lot of money on PPC to get customers to their products. So if we can target the newest arrivals, a lot of the time we can see really good success there. Some of them are MF, some of them are like, as I say, free delivery there, 15 to the 16. That probably means a lot of the time, sorry, this one FBA here, it says Monday the 14th of October. It's the 11th today, which means that someone that is buying this, it could actually mean that it's not actually available yet in the fulfillment centers right now. That's why it's saying the 14th, because if it wasn't, then it should be delivered tomorrow. Okay, so that shows me that we're going to be able to target a lot of these products, because a lot of them have got products that are inbound but are not yet available. So people are going to buy yours because it's faster delivery, and also for the reasons that I just said about the listings not being that good, and people are spending a lot of money on PPC to get products to their listings. And what we're going to do is target the bottom of them listings and then sort of pinch some of them sales, if you like. So that's the 3 ways that we do product targeting PPC keyword research.